When you want to show your friends the best of a city, you take them to the places that truly capture its heart and soul. Join me as I show my friends from Manila the highlights of the Dapitan City, a place rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. From the iconic Rizal Shrine to the stunning Dakak Beach Resort, and even a quick stop at the site where Jose Rizal first landed, this tour is packed with unforgettable moments. Come along and let's explore together. Our first stop was Rizal Shrine. This place is more than just a park. It's a living testament to Jose Rizal's exile in Dapitan. He spent 3 years here, transforming the area into a thriving community. He built a school, a hospital, and even a water system. Walking through this park feels like stepping into history. We explored the iconic Rizal Shrine and the beautiful gardens he designed. It's a peaceful yet powerful reminder of his legacy. After soaking in all that history, it was time to head to our next destination, Villa Angelina and Dakak Beach Resort. Villa Angelina is a charming property under Dakak Beach Resort, and we availed their day tour package. The ticket included a consumable amount for food and access to Dakak's stunning beach. Well, we didn't capture our lunch on camera because we were too busy enjoying the food and company. Trust me, it was delicious. After lunch, we took in the breathtaking views and then headed to Dakak Beach Resort. The coastline is absolutely stunning. White sand, clear waters, and the perfect spot to relax. We strolled along the beach, took in the serene atmosphere, and just enjoyed the moment. It's the kind of place that makes you forget about time. Before heading back to Dipolog, we stopped at the historic site where Jose Rizal first landed in Dapitan in 1892. This marker commemorates his resilience and dedication. Of course, we couldn't leave without snapping a few photos. Dapitan City is truly a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the inspiring legacy of Jose Rizal to the serene beaches of Dakak, this place offers a perfect blend of relaxation and reflection. It was such a joy to share these highlights with my friends, and I hope this video inspires you to explore Dapitan too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chel's Treasures for more adventures and everyday treasures. Keep chasing your dreams and discover the beauty around you. Bye!